Hey, what? You managed to survive. That's good. So what do you want? Oh. Hmm. I don't know. Maybe a portal that leads you to exit. Nah. You sure? You sure? Yeah, why? 'Cause why not? Dang it. He's dead. For no reason. Look behind you. Huh? There's no one here. Well, I guess that was just a lie. Are back. Oh no, you can't go anywhere. No. Stupid. Ah, hey, give me back. No. I need a chance. Hey, that's not fair. Huh? Nah. Nope. Hoo-yah. Yeah, take that, stupid. Please don't. A last word? Last word? I'll behind you again. Where's your blows? Where is blows? Blood? Not you again. No. What? Where am I? Survive in this dark until 6 a.m. Fine. Is this supposed to be Five Nights at Freddy's block? It's not very dark. No. Wait, what? I don't remember this place at all. Meat Chicken's place? Is that Meat Chicken's place? I need the bed. I need. Huh? Is that a flashlight? A good flashlight? Is that a flashlight? I would pick it up. Oh. Good. Good. I do not very see though. Huh? It is Meat Chicken. What is he doing at this night? Die, Meat Chicken, die! Okay, enough. I think he's dead. It reached 1 a.m. A new type of monster is coming. What do you mean by that? Ah! Huh? I think I may be safe in this place. Hey. Oh, is that you? Yeah, what are you doing in my house? There's a Jumbo Josh chasing me. Oh, don't worry, you will be safe here. What brings you here to my house? Again? Oh, I need to escape from revenge chicken. Oh, that whole chicken? That with white eyes? Yeah. They still hear him. Have to wait for him to disappear. Okay. He disappeared. Nice. Anyways, how to explore this forest? Follow me. Where did that guy go? There's only one building block. Oh, hi again. Follow me. Let's check my child. What? 5 a.m. already? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. You. Oh my goodness. Your face makes me laugh. Hi. Oh my gosh. Can't do it anymore. I can't do this anymore. You good? You good? Yeah. Still eat alive. Wheel. Yeah. You can finally escape. Open. Huh? What the heck are they two? Why is there 3 ICU? Don't know, but hey, at least this is better. Huh? No! You failed to escape. Don't worry, I saved you. Let's go. Huh? Dang it. How do I kill this guy? Apocalypse will start in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hey, at least the apocalypse didn't start, right? You're too late. What do you mean by that? You didn't escape the Jumbo Joshi. Look at that Jumbo Joshi, bro.